Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and today I want to show you 5 popular songs which are easy to remember, which are easy to play by heart. So before we start, I want you to take a look at the video description. There you will find my free lessons for beginners, a great basis for you to get started on the guitar, no matter if you're playing an acoustic guitar or if you're playing an electric guitar. Take a look at those lessons and you'll have a great basis for everything you find here on my channel too. So let's start. What's the deal with playing things by heart? You don't like it to watch on piece of papers or watch on the internet for your tabs or the chords all the time because you can't think of your favorite song anymore. Let me give you some advice for that. First of all, especially in the beginning, take a look at songs which are having an easy structure, which means not that many parts. If you have a song which you want to play, write it down. This is a general tip you can do with everything. This helps to get things into your head, just writing down like verse, chorus, whatever, and write the chords behind that. This will help you to get things into order. But now let me show you the songs which you will learn in this video, which have an easy chord progression, which are easy to play by heart, and I will tell you why this is. So let's start. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. And I said, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Try not to abuse your power. No, we didn't choose to change. Might not wanna lose your power, but heaven, it's so strange. Those were just 5 examples of songs which are easy to remember because they have a chord progression which goes through the whole song. We start with Stand By Me by Ben E. King, and we have the chords G major, E minor, C major, and D major. When you have those chords in your fingers, just train them, press pause, and just practice those chords. Make dry exercises so you really know where your fingers need to go. This is step 1, why this song will be easy to remember for you, because it has the same 4 chords all the time, but help yourself and get them into your fingers by doing this, just focusing on your grabbing hand. And then you just practice the strumming pattern on the other hand, just on one chord before you put everything together, okay? So you do it like this. This is a pretty fun thing to do because we have like a percussion thing going on here. We do a downstroke on the chord, on the G, and after that we do a downstroke again, but we mute it. Try this. You hit the strings with your pick or your fingers, doesn't really matter if you play with your thumb or your nails, whatever, but you need to damp the strings with your hand at the same time. And really hit the strings. And right after that you do an upstroke. And you do another one before you do another percussive hit with a downstroke. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 So, when you've memorized this, go through the whole chord progression. G, 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 E minor, E minor, to the C major, to the D major, to the G major. When the G has come and E minor is there, and the C is the D and the G. So much for Stand By Me. Let's go to the next song, Knocking on Heaven's Door. It shares most of the chords with the Stand By Me chord progression. So it's the same starting chord, the G, going to a D major after that, and then we go to A minor. Okay, so we have G, D, A minor twice, then G, D, and 2 times C major. Write it down. This will help you to get this into your head, but I mean, it's easy. So after you have memorized this chord progression, check out the strumming pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So do it just on the chord, on the first chord, on the G. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Easy, isn't it? On the upstroke, you can kind of like fake and go already to the next chord. I'll show you what I mean. Down, 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 up. On the upstroke, I played open strings because it was on the way to D. Down, 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 up, A minor. And open strings and G. Open strings to D, open strings to C major. And G. This helps you to get the chords done. I mean, I called it a fake, but it actually isn't. Everybody does it, also the pros. So this is just for you so you don't be not too hard on yourself when you train those kind of rhythms. So same chord progression all the time. Let's get to the next song, Marry You. I played it in the key of G. The original recording is in the key of F, so you play F major, G minor, and B major. But those chords are not kind of like the beginner stuff because we have 2 bar chords in there. So I play it in G, sounds beautiful too. So we have G again, we have A minor again, then we have C, and then we have G again. And the strumming pattern, the chords were already in the songs we talked about before, so it's and then A minor, C major, and G major. It's a little bit faster than the other songs, but still the chords are easy. And if you memorize this chord progression, G, A minor, C, G, G, A minor, C, G, G, you get the idea. It's always the same. And then the strumming pattern can be down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down, up. You can also play on the upstroke again or go already to the next chord, so you can save some time for your grabbing hand when you're going to the next chord. But also try to practice the strumming pattern on one chord first, and for your grabbing hand do dry exercises so you really know where to go. Write it down again, Marry You, blah blah blah, those chords, and help yourself memorizing those chord progressions. It's easy because just 3 chords through the whole song. The same goes for What's Up by the Four Non Blondes. I played it in the key of G to go around this bar chord there, which is in the original recording, because it's in the key of A major in the original recording. It's A major, B minor, D. I like to play it in G, A minor, and C. If you want to play along to the original recording, put a capo in the 2nd fret and play a G chord, A minor, and C, and it will be totally fine. So the strumming pattern is different though. The chord progression is the same like in Marry You. It's G, A minor, and C, and back to G, but the strumming pattern goes like this. So it's just practice this on 1 chord. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up to A minor. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. C major. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Nice chord progression, but the same as from Marry You, and just a different starting pattern. This makes it easy if you just visualize, hey, it's the same all the time. So this song is very easy to remember too. Let's go to the last song of my list here, which is a really modern song, Your Power by Billie Eilish. Beautiful song, I think, because it's just based on 3 chords too. But chords combined with the melody makes it really beautiful. Da, 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 da. A nice chord progression, isn't it? And you can just play it along to the recording just with, if you have trouble with this because you're a beginner, just with 1 downstroke per chord. In order to abuse your power. You play F major 7, which goes like this. Ring finger, 3rd fret, D string, middle finger, 2nd fret, G string, index finger, 1st fret, B string, and an open high E string. Don't play the 2 lowest strings there. Beautiful chord. And you are like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. A minor, 2, 3, 4. E minor. And back to F major for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 bar A minor and 1 bar E minor. And F major. Try not to A minor, your E minor, F major 7. I know we didn't A minor to E minor, F major 7. You might not wanna A minor, your E minor, F major 7, but have an A minor, E minor. So, you got those chord progression, easy to remember. Let's check out the strumming pattern which you can play. Down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. So, not that hard, but let's do it slow together. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up. In the original recording, you're on the right key, but he plays it with a capo on the 5th fret with a C chord, then an E minor chord, and then an B minor chord. But I like this in this version better, actually, because we have those low open strings there. But just wanted to let you know where you can play it in the original recording. I have a tutorial about this song on my channel here too. So this was just an example of how great a song can be just being that easy. And we have a couple of examples in this video here, so I hope you had a lot of fun. You learned something here and you take it more easy on you when you try to learn a song by heart, that you make yourself the most comfortable as it can be by just writing it down on a piece of paper with a pen and not just Googling something and just watch it. Just really write it down, break it down to the one hand and then for the other. This makes it so much easier to learn things by heart, and I think those songs are a great basis and you can play them immediately by heart when you just wrote them down once, because it's easy. Just easy chord progressions, easy strumming patterns. Thanks for tuning in, and please take a look at the video description below this video. You will find my free lessons for beginners there, which will give you a great basis to get along on my channel here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.